Hi friends, this is Jyotsna from konlines.com. In this session, I would like to discuss about the topic error stack DTP, which is one of the type of DTP, and we had completed the modeling and loading. Now we will go for the reporting. That is part C, reporting. This is the important thing which will be used to take the decisions for senior level positions like manager and all. Information presentation. Okay, now let me go for the reporting, and first just we'll brush up the topic whatever we have done in modeling and all. Let me log on to my SAP system. Select SAP logon, run. Select logon, give the credentials, continue with this logon, select continue. Now before going to reporting, let me show my cube again and modeling also. Select my cubes, one second. Let me see my cube first. Now this is my info area for error stack DTP, that is EDS, IA underscore EDS. This is my cube, standard info cube for error stack DTP, that is SIC underscore EDS. I completed the loading also, created the DTPs also. See here, you can observe this error DTP also completed. By default, it will come after changing the records, and we create the error DTP. Now let me check this. Select display data flow. Select downwards. See here, this is the cube. This is my info cube, standard info cube data flow, and here it is my physical info provider. This is my transformations data source, and this is the source system. Now I had completed all data loading and modeling. Now I'll check the underlying data dictionary tables before going for the reporting. Check the underlying data dictionary tables. Now go for this. SC11 slash BIC slash F SIC underscore EDS. Display the contents. This is the fact table, that is uncompressed fact table. Number of entries 15. First, when we load the data before compression, it will be entered into the fact table. Here you can observe the key figures and the SIDs for the product, data package, time, unit, customer, SID keys. Okay, there won't be any data in the EFACT table. That is, we will get the EFACT table after compression of the data. Select this, see, observe this, we won't have any data. Why? Because this is before compression, we didn't compress this cube. Just we had done the error handling for this, error DTP. Connection error, that's okay. We'll connect it. SAP logon, run, logon. Give the credentials. Continue. Now, I had done S11, right? Okay. /BIC /E SIC underscore EDS. /ESIC underscore EDS. Okay. Display. One second, some problem with the connection. See this? /BIC /ESIC underscore EDC. Display the contents. Number of entries. See, observe this. Before compression, we don't have any records with the EFACT table. Select execute. See here, no table entries found for the specific key. We can check the dimension tables also. What is this? D dimension /BIC /DSIC underscore EDS. SIC underscore EDS is my cube name. D is the dimension name. That is dimension table. And what are the dimensions I am having? 3 are system defined dimension. Those are PTU. Data package dimension, time dimension and unit dimension. Let me go with the first one, T. That is data package dimension. Select display contents. Number of entries 4. Select execute. Here we will observe the changed run ID, dim IDs, record TP and the record type and the request ID. And we will have the time dimensions also. For this, T display time dimension. What I have gave is 0 cal day. See here, number of entries 16. Check this. See here, this is my time dimension. And the unit dimension U. Select display, currency and the quantity units. Okay. Select execute. See here, currency and the units. Okay. Now let me go with, like this we'll check the dimensions also. Even we can check in the list queue SIC underscore EDS. Select execute. Field selection for output CID, PID. No need of this actually. Zero calde, zero currencies, zero unit. And this one are key figures, measurable objects. Select execute. Go with the display SQL and the query execution plan. Now system will produce the native SQL query execution plan and the open SQL and the query result. See here. RSMO. By this also monitoring also you'll get this. PSA, today's date. Oh, okay. No. Refresh all. One second, I'll show here, no problem. I'll show by this. Cancel. Select monitor. It will come to this only screen. PSA maintenance, like this. This is the PSA data, and we can check the DTP also. Then same screen will appear. Wait, I'll show that also. Select DTP. Yes. Now check this. See here. Select monitor. This only. No data selected. Okay. Double click on this. Select monitor. No problem. We'll get this. Yes. Refresh. Observe this. This is my cube. This is the monitor screen. See here. Select the request ID. Select display contents. Field selection for output. customer ID, product ID, calendar D, currency, units of measures, and the key figures. Select execute. Execute. See here, observe the output. Now we'll go for the BEX. Now select the T code RRMX to open the BEX query designer. Select add-ins. Select tools, create new query. Log on to the BW server. Give the credentials, okay. Create new query, okay. Let me check this whether it's captured or not. Okay. Give the credentials, select OK. Now it will open the BEX query designer. Now select new query. Here presently there is no query. See here, no query loaded. Now select new query. New query, select info provider. Find. Select the technical name. Search for the technical name. That is what is my cube name? Info provider is my cube. Right? So let me give that SIC underscore EDS. Select find. Open. Now select, observe the dimensions and the key figures. See here. Now select rows or columns. Drag and drop the customer ID to the rows panel and select expand the product dimension. Drag and drop the product ID to the rows panel. Select my key figures. Drag and drop to the columns panel. Product quantity, profit on sales and sales revenue, and expand the data package. Select request ID, drag and drop, select calendar day, select the units, currency and unit of measures. These pre-characteristics is used for drill down and drill across purpose. Now select the query properties, select extended or advanced. Why I am selecting the query properties? The reason is if I want to give external access, third party reporting access to my query, I have to select this, enable this extended, allow external access to this query by OLEDB for OLAP. To allow my query to the third party reporting tools, I need to check the query properties. The third party reporting tools are like business Cognos, business objects, and the digital reports. Now select check for the query. Server query check is okay. It is giving its name, but I have to save with my name, technical name. Okay, save. 1 second. Save the query as by our name. Give the description as error DTP SIC underscore EDS underscore ERDTP. Save. Now execute the query, exit and use the query. Observe the table, see here, this is my result, error DTP, see here, table, customer ID, product quantity, profit, sales, etc. See here, the duplicates, records are summarized, in cube aggregated. Now select the filter and observe calendar day, add drill down according to the calendar day. Now observe that 31st date will be modified, 31 to 2015 will be modified into, see here, 0 to 1 2015. Okay, this is the thing I had modified. Okay, observe this. Now select the request ID, select add drill down according to rows. Observe this. This is another request. Observe this. I had modified this record. Okay, means the changes are updated from the error stack DTP. Okay, now observe the charts. Select the information. See here, author BW11, last refreshed, key date, current status, info provider, name, etc. Here observe this. Now what is the thing is, here it's updated by the error stack DTP. The changes are made. The errors are corrected by using the error DTP. Wait, I'll show the picture. Observe this. See here, with the error stack, in the changes are made in the error stack and updated through the error DTP to the info provider. This is the case. Means I had changed the my error in the error DTP error stack and updated to the error DTP, and that will be updated to the info provider. Observe here, from source system to data source, no changes will be done, no error handling will be done, and after that from the PSA to loading through the DTP, if error is there, error handling, it will the changes or invalid records can be corrected in the error stack and error updated into the info provider through error DTP. This is the use of the error DTP. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. This is about the error stack DTP.